Whether it's a sumptuous biryani, pulao, or bagara rice, the majority of flavorful rice dishes pair extremely well with this one simple accompaniment: raita. Hey everyone, I'm Sam from Samyara's Den, where Dilyara and I explore various recipes for the everyday you. Raita is a side dish or condiment that's made out of a base of curd or yogurt, along with some vegetables, sometimes fruits, as well as some other interesting ingredients. Today we're going to explore some of the simplest forms of raita that you can make at home with basic ingredients and add it to your diet for some amazing health benefits. Why, you ask? Well, firstly, curd and yogurt are packed with probiotics, which are extremely beneficial for your gut. Secondly, it has a cooling effect on your body. So if you live in a warmer country like we do, your body's gonna thank you for that. And thirdly, it's so yummy! First up, the classic onion raita. Take some curd, some chopped onions, add a few chopped green chilies, a pinch of salt, and chaat masala. Mix it all up and garnish with some fresh coriander. That's all it takes. Onion raita ready. Secondly, onion tomato raita. Everything from the first one with a few chopped tomatoes. Mix it all up and garnish with some fresh coriander. Done. Tomato raita ready. Number 3, cucumber raita. Curd, chopped cucumbers, some chopped green chilies, salt, chaat masala. Mix it all up and garnish. Ready. Ting ting ting. Done. Easy, right? Number 4, bundi raita. For those of you who don't know what bundi is, it's a savory Indian snack made from fried chickpea flour. Curd, bundi, dash of salt, chaat masala. Mix it all up and garnish. Ready. That is literally all it takes. But hold up. What if you want to mix it up and make something to go really well with your nachos? Easy. Curd, dash of mustard sauce, a pinch of salt, Italian seasoning or garlic bread seasoning, or both. Done. And remember, if you're looking for a healthy snack, you can very well eat a bowl of raita with some veggies at home, mix it up with some onions and cucumbers if you wish. But do not mix cucumbers and tomatoes together in large quantities unless you want to turn into a Harley Davidson at home. So there you have it, folks. Raita, a gastronomical gift from India to the world. If you like this video, check out our Wholesome Meals playlist over there, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio!